Love, as I stand before you today, my heart is overflowing with gratitude and love for you. You are the answered prayer that I have been waiting, and the missing piece that completes my heart. I am so blessed to have you in my life, and I thank God every day for bringing us together. As some of you may know, I have experienced profound loss and heartbreak that left me feeling lost and alone. But I know He's happy up there now. And maybe, ang iba, wala tayong hindi makapaniwala na ito na ako ngayon. There were times when I forgot to take care of myself, and I felt like I would never be happy again. But God never forgot me. And He never gave up on me. He led me to you, my answered prayer. You have brought joy and happiness back into my life. Patunay lang na sa lahat ng sakit na dinanas at luha na naiyak ko, ay may magandang plano talaga si God sa buhay ko. Sabi nga sa word niya sa Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." I promise to be patient with you, to forgive you, to serve you, and to love you unconditionally. I thank God for your love and for the life we will build together. I pray that we will always keep Christ at the center of our relationship, and that our love for each other will continue to grow and stronger with each passing day. And I will end my vow in a short song lyrics. I'll promise I'm yours, always and forever, to the good and the bad, for worse and for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always. I love you so much, love.